So welcome back to the channel, and this is my new truck I'm going to restore. Looks a little updated than what the rest of the video is going to look like, because the introduction of the first video decided it didn't really want to work. So I'm doing an updated version. So this is my 1970 Chevy Custom 20. It has a 350 under the hood. As you can see, I'm already started tearing into that a little bit. Single cab. It's an automatic, two-wheel drive. The bed is in really good condition. The only rust there is right down here on the side of the cab, and that's it. So this was a Minnesota pickup, and Minnesota has lots of salt on the roads in the winter. Surprisingly, there's hardly any rust. Finish up vacuuming the interior. You think Mountain Dew'd still let me get a custom CD? Yeah, I don't think so. It was redeemed by August 31st of 2000, so this bottle's a few years old, I think. I think we might need some new tires. That one don't hold air no more. Yeah, so, made a little bit of progress cleaning so far. It's going to take a long time to get this interior back to how it was, but made some progress so far. So it's the next day, and last night I just did a little bit of cleaning in the interior and got some junk from under the seats, and today I'm going to try to remove the seat cover off the pickup. So I found all these cans and bottles and even a glass Coke bottle from under the seats. A little bit cleaner down there, but still a lot of work to do. It's like Diet Pepsi was from 1995. Mountain Dew, October 10th of 94. So they're a few years old. On the driver's side here, I got it pretty clean, but there's still some dirt and dust under the seat. So now I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse. I'm gonna try to take off the seat cover. All that I've been doing is just taking my knife and cutting these strings to take the seat cover off. Got the seat cover off, and that's what the seat looks like. You got some few rips in it, but we could either put a new seat cover on or redo the seat. So it's been a few days since I last worked on pickup, and Dad and I just got the front tire that was junk, and now I'm gonna try to take off the stock racks. So today we're going to try to take the pickup off the tray. We got the Oliver here, and we got this little thing that we're going to hook onto the back of the Oliver and the back of the pickup and roll off the ramps. So it's been a few weeks since the last time I picked up the camera working on the green pickup, but so far we've taken the alternator off and we've been able to turn over the engine, took off the air filter, and we've took off the distributor cap, and tonight I'm going to try to put on some distributor cables. Okay, so I got 7 out of the 8 spark plugs in, and 6 out of the 8, or 5 out of the 8 cables in, and it's 9 o'clock and my big LED flashlight just died, so I think I'm gonna call it a night and pick up tomorrow morning and hopefully get the rest of them done. So it's the next morning, and I got all the distributor wires on, and I got 7 out of the 8 spark plugs in because I stripped one trying to get it in. But hopefully I got all the wires in the correct places, and we'll find out when we try to start it. Okay, so I'm going to show you why I think the new spark plugs won't work. So this is an old one, here's a new one. This is one I stripped. So, well, first of all, they have two different numbers, R44Ts and R43s. So the old one, it's skinny. This one is too, but then it stays skinny throughout the whole thing pretty much. This one, on the other hand, is threads and then like a brick wall, so it can't thread anymore. But it looks like this one, it would rub up to the engine to about here, because it's shiny right there. On this one, it just hits and can't move. So that's what I think of why they won't work, but I could be wrong and they could work out just fine. And since we have nothing else to do right now, let's check the oil on the engine just to see if we have oil or if it leaked out. Yeah, we're just up to the full mark. Right there. This one's always hard to fish right back in, because there's a curve in the tube and it won't want to go around it. There we go. There. So I think that jug right there is windshield washer fluid, but I'm not sure. But I'm no genius, but I think that might need to be hooked up before we can use it, because it's currently just a jug sitting there. There's nothing connected underneath or on the back side. Just a jug. So now I think we're done working on the truck for now. Next we just gotta get some more parts and put them on. I think possibly next we're gonna get a new air filter for on top, and I believe we're gonna have to get a new battery, and we're gonna get all new wiring for it. Oh, and yeah, we're gonna need to get a new alternator for there. So this is gonna be the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.